Hello, and welcome to the Iowa PHR Pharmacist Connection Study website tutorial. The Pharmacist Connection Study website is a tool developed by researchers at the University of Iowa. It is being used as part of a research study to help people find ways to reduce their cardiovascular risk. In this tutorial, we will show you how to best take advantage of the Pharmacist Connection Study website features. With this website, you can complete a health assessment and view recommendations based on the data entered. Enter and store information on a number of different health data types. Create a list of medications you are currently taking or have taken in the past. Contact the study pharmacist. Keep up-to-date contact information for yourself and your emergency contacts. View, save, email, or print reports of the health information you enter, including a wallet-sized emergency information card, medication lists, and other health information you track over time. By using the tabs at the top of the page, you can navigate the website and access all of its features. In this tutorial, we'd like to highlight some of the more important features that the website has to offer. The health assessment is a tool that can be used to identify and track which steps you have taken towards reducing your risk of cardiovascular disease and related health problems. To start the health assessment, first, make sure you are on the home page. Then, select the Health Assessment button. Answer the questions to the best of your ability, and then select Next at the bottom of each survey page. If you need to go back to a previous screen to change an answer, you can select the Previous button located at the bottom of each survey page. You can also select Save and Exit at the top of the survey to exit the health assessment. When you return to the health assessment in the future, you will then continue where you previously left off. If you select the red X button, you will exit out of the health assessment without saving any of the answers on that page. All answers on previous pages will still be saved. When you have finished the last page, select the Submit button. After submitting the health assessment, you will be taken back to the home page. You will see that the home page looks a bit different now because recommendations based on your answers to the health assessment survey will be displayed right below the health assessment button. These will update every time you complete the health assessment. These are divided into two sections: what you can improve on, and what you are already doing well. You can see more information by selecting the picture next to a recommendation, and then selecting More Information. To view all of these recommendations on a single page, select the Recommendations tab. You can keep track of your health data in multiple ways with the website. You can select the health data you'd like to keep track of by selecting the Health Data tab, and then selecting the individual type of data you'd like to enter. You can also select Health Data Home to see a page of all of the data types and a brief description of what each type tracks. For this video, we'll go to the Health Data Home page. On this page, you can select the health data you'd like to keep track of. For example, by clicking Allergies, you can keep track of any allergies you have. To add an allergy, select the Add button. You can then type in your allergy, reaction, and first known occurrence. Select Save to keep the allergy, or Cancel to exit. You can then edit or delete that entry if needed. Some of the health data tracking will allow you to view or download a record of that data, or view a chart of all data points entered. The basic structure of adding, editing, and deleting data is the same for all data types listed. On the home page, you will see a section labeled Health Data Quick Entry. There are 6 health data types available for quick entry. We'll select weight for this example. Now you can enter the date you measured your weight, how much you weigh, the units, either kilograms or pounds, and any notes related to the measurement. When finished, select the Save button. If you select the View link, it will take you to that health data's individual page. The quick entry section can be helpful if there is a particular health data type you know you'll be recording regularly. To enter medications in the website, you will first need to select the Medications tab, and from there select Current Medications. To explain how to enter a medication, we will show an example, entering a prescription for taking a 40 milligram tablet of Lipitor once in the morning for cholesterol. To start, select the Name of Medication box and start typing in Lipitor. When able, select the correct medication from the drop-down list. You can then select the strength, 40 milligrams for this example, from the drop-down list that appears. Next, in the How do you take it field, enter 1 tablet, once a day, in the morning, and then that you are taking it for cholesterol into the Why do you take it field. Please note that you may not find your medication or strength in the drop-down lists. If this is the case, type the information into the medication and strength fields to the best of your ability. By selecting the Save button, Lipitor will appear on the list of your current medications. For each medication, you can use the Options drop-down menu to edit or delete your medication, as well as move it to your medication history list. You can get more information about a medication by clicking on the individual ingredients in the medication. If you select Medication History from the Medications tab, you will see a list of medications you have moved from your current medication list, as well as be able to enter past medications you have taken. You can send and receive messages from the study pharmacist by selecting the Messages tab. If you have currently unread messages, you will see a number on that tab. You can read messages you've received by selecting the message. From there, you can reply to the message by selecting the box under Leave a Reply and selecting Send when you are done. If you select Cancel, the message you are writing will be erased. You can delete messages you've sent by selecting the X button by your message. To return to the main message screen, select the Messages tab again. From the main page, you can delete message chains by selecting the Delete link under the Options column. You can send a new message to the study pharmacist by selecting the Send a New Message button. On that page, select who to send the message to in the To box, enter a topic, and type in your message. Then select Send. You can leave the page without sending the message by selecting Cancel. The About Me tab is used to enter your personal or emergency contact information. Select Personal Information, and then choose Edit Personal Information. On this page, you can enter or change your first, middle, and last name. Select your gender, enter your date of birth or email address. You can add a phone number by selecting the green button with a plus sign. Here you will enter your phone number and whether it is a cell phone, home number, etc. Select Cancel to exit without saving or OK to save the number. You can enter multiple phone numbers this way. Select the Edit button next to Address to enter or update your address. Here, enter the street address, and in Address Line 2, the P.O. Box, apartment number, or other additional information, city, zip code, and then select your state. Select OK to save the information. Select Cancel to exit without saving your changes, or Save to keep the information entered and go back to the main personal information page. By selecting Emergency Contact from the About Me tab, and then selecting Add, you can enter information about your emergency contact. Fill in the first name, last name, relationship to you, phone number, and phone type, and then save to keep the contact or cancel to erase the information. On the emergency contact page, you will now be able to edit or delete that information. When you see a button that starts View or Download, pressing that button will either open up a PDF document containing the information on that page, or give the option to save the files as a PDF document. That document can be printed out or can be sent by email as needed. The Pharmacist Connection Study website allows you to print out a document that contains your current medications, allergies, health conditions, and emergency contact information, either as a full sheet or as a wallet-sized card. You can also print out a listing of the health recommendations from the website. Thank you for watching this video and for your participation in the Iowa PHR Pharmacist Connection Study. If you have any problems with the website or have questions about the study, please contact us at iowaphr@uiowa.edu or call us toll-free at 866-520-8983.